believe so, yes.
Should a child molester be able to get access to a list of children living in his neighborhood?
Ideally, no.
But he could buy that information from your company.
Yes, I suppose he could. However, we ask our customers about criminal records.
Did you ever consider the possibility that someone with a criminal record might actually lie about it? Objection.
Overruled. It's not my responsibility to keep people from using information in a way that might hurt others.
Information doesn't kill people, people kill people.
I understand that someone was hurt in this case. If I had any idea that that might happen, I never would have taken the risk.
Really? Because that's not what you said in your emails, Mr. McDowell.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Didn't you ask your lawyers 8 months ago whether your company might be liable if someone were harmed as a result of your service?
Objection. Conversations with counsel are privileged.
Judge, I can establish a crime fraud exception to any privilege claim here.
Chambers, now. Just what are you doing, Mr. McCoy?
Availing ourselves of the information age, Your Honor.
8 months ago, another one of Mr. McDowell's investigators came to him with concerns about a client whose wife had an order of protection out against him. This client was trying to locate the shelter his wife was staying in.
Mr. McDowell's counsel advised him to stop checking his client's background.
Where did you get all this?
Your company is not the only game in town, Mr. McDowell. The people retained the services of one of your competitors. It took them less than a day to find the emails that went back and forth. Apparently nothing is ever really deleted.
This is outrageous.
It doesn't feel good, does it?
None of this matters. Legal advice to a client is still privileged.
Not if he was advised to act in a reckless manner.
That is absurd. If Mr. McDowell sought the advice of counsel, how can he be considered reckless?
The point of the crime fraud exception is to discourage attorneys from dispensing advice that counsels people to engage in criminal conduct, which is what your lawyer did when he advised you against background checks. Neither of them can hide behind the privilege shield.
I suggest you talk to your client about a plea, counselor. Then I suggest you get your own lawyer.
3 to 9 years in prison.
Plus the 15 Virgil Rice got.